Yeah, watch, Daddy's gonna bring you something.
It's a birthday present.
What is Daddy getting? What is it, Jojo?
Speechless.
Is it a trash truck? Watch this, watch. You ready? Ready?
Or show him the back where the toys.
Look, watch this.
Ready? Pull this, pull.
Wow, what the?
Look at all that trash!
Oh my.
Maybe in there?
Put it that way, that's right. There you go.
Good job! Are you a trash truck driver?
Look, Jojo.
There you go.
Can you put it in your trash truck? Oh, you gotta sit in the back. There you go. Remember? It goes in the square.
There you go.
Good job.
Water bottle.
Here we go.
Whoa, Jojo! Bouncy!
Backyard.
It's in our backyard this time!
It's your own.
Bouncy, bouncy. Whoa! Bouncy, bouncy. Whoa. Good boy. You want Daddy to come inside?
Here's the men are doing the decorating today.
May 14th, 2021. Joseph's second birthday, almost.
Here's the woman behind it all.
He'll be watching this, and then later on in the evening, he'll be dunking on us all in the gym.
We've got these going on. Jojo, what day is it today? Is it your party? Say yeah. What's on your shirt? Okay, I don't have to film you. It's okay. Are you having fun, Jojo? Who are you playing with? Jace? Okay, cool.
You know, we don't have to go in yet.
Hi, Lisa.
I figure I'm almost like family episode.
Please. Hi, Joy. Hi, Jamie. Nice, the ice.
And your drivers are always awesome. I bring him out in the morning.
Joy, come here. Coming to your house. That's like a trash truck.
Oh, this is our driver. Yeah.
You can fit, I think.
I bet he can make it.
It's okay.
all the time.
Alfonso.
Yeah.
Wow, so you have your own uniform and you have your own truck. And don't worry.
Trash. Remember Trash Truck Driver?
Alfonso.
You ready?
I know.
Wow. It's like a puppy.
You want to push it?
Oh, okay. Too scary.
You don't want to be too loud.
Oh, might be a little too big for you.
Yeah, or the hat. You want to put the hat on?
Yeah.
Cool.
There you go.
Okay. Let's do the hat.
Trash.
Oh. That's. Oh, you want to go up higher?
Yeah.
Give it all.
Sure. Yeah.
You want to see up high?
Oh, wow.
What's in there? Is it trash?
What trash goes in there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is here.
Wow.
Haha.
Is that the ha-ha? Here, look, come here. Let's see this.
You never get to see them because they never stop. You know, they're always moving.
Hold on. What's in there?
He's doing a good job.
The neighbors go, is it today?
Yeah, running out with her
I thought they
kids.
just came.
Beep, beep. Oh, stinky.
Good job.
Let's picture for kids. I mean, nice today.
You look nice. Yes, you do.
Red. Red, good job. Bye. Pink. Pink, good job. What's this?
Stella, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Good. Good to see you.
I'll tell everybody.
I mean, after they've been in
Made by Chella.
How you make it?
What'd you make?
How you make it that one? How you make it that one?
Who got the watermelon? Who got the watermelon?
Now I need one.
such a good eater. I told you that
Wow. Okay, careful. Here, you want one? Here. Oh. That's awesome, Jojo. That's awesome. Whoa, trash. Trash.
Is that cool? Wow, really nice.
Okay, we can go in there first.
¿Tiene alergia al paso o qué? ¿Tiene alergia al paso?
You guys like ASMR? Sponsored by Snapple Apple.
She's a grazer on the move.
This is mine.
Vegetarian
What's up, Chella here?
Yeah, I am here.
Say hi to the YouTube channel.
I'm gonna go on YouTube.
Are you putting on YouTube?
YouTube? Okay.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. Happy birthday to you.
Blow, 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 blow. Good boy. You want to open it? Okay. Here, why don't you open this one first? Open that. Thank you.
We'll let that walk away.
Good job. Try that one. Open that one. You want to open these? Yeah, he knows what these are.
Here.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jojo. Happy birthday to you.
I love you. Bunch of candles.
Today's Joseph's actual birthday.
Blow this one, blow. Good boy.
Good job.
Today is May 16th, 2021. Joseph Avery Nolan is 2 years old. Piggy bank or something, Jokers?
Well, that's pretty much it for JoJo's birthday celebrations. Thank you all for watching. He loved it, had a great time, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Say bye-bye.